Yo, what is going on, my YouTube family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. It's your boy Moto back again with another video. This time, I know you guys saw the video of me unboxing all the items. Currently, I have this setup on the bike, which I'm not a fan of this right here. I'm not a fan of the way this sticks out. I think it just takes away from the look. I'm going to go ahead and have it set up differently where this plate setup will be in this part of the bike. We're gonna have a different type of light setup over here. I know you guys saw a light, it gets mounted here. You gotta take off quite a few things. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bike set up. And yeah, start customizing it to the way I like it. I know I still got my work clothes on because I just got home from work and I couldn't think of anything to do. I'm like, oh my gosh, I really want to work on this bike. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. And hopefully you guys enjoy this content. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on the bike. I'm gonna set you guys up somehow in here and yeah, continue the work. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And kind of nervous because this bike is totally different from what I'm used to. Onyx was kind of figured that bike out kind of in and out. I got very comfortable towards the end. This is German technology, so it's totally different from what I'm used to. So hopefully you guys do enjoy the content, and let's go right to the bike. Okay, brake light. Yep. Turning signal. Yep, turning signal works with the brake light. That's dope. You can see it from the side too, which is really sick. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder than I thought, so. All right guys, I didn't film most of this because it's pretty self-explanatory. This is something that's very, very simple. It's basically putting on frame sliders. So that's currently what I'm doing right now. Slapping on the frame sliders with this bad boy. Well, all right guys, this is it, I'm done. It's 4:12 in the morning. I called it was gonna be that long earlier today, but yeah, although I have to say the bike looks amazing. So I need you guys to check this out. It is absolutely stunning. Probably take some cinematic shots later, but check this out. It's gorgeous. I'm tired, so the filming is not the best and it's late, but here it is. All right, guys, well, that concludes everything. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. If you're not subscribing to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber to the channel, thank you very much. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you know when my next content will be uploaded. Also, share with your friends and family if you guys like this kind of, content and things of that nature. So, all right, guys, that concludes the video for this morning. I will check you guys out in the next one. I'm gonna go shower and go to sleep because I'm exhausted. All right, you guys, Sasamoto out.